Welcome to the ultimate step-by-step guide to creating a financial plan. In this video, we will be covering everything you need to know about creating a financial plan. We understand that creating a solid financial plan can be overwhelming and confusing, but our approach will make this process easy and fun. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of your financial goals, budgeting, and monitoring of your plan. Section 1. Understanding your financial goals. First, let's talk about understanding your financial goals. The very first step to creating a financial plan is to clearly define your financial goals. This could be anything from saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or planning for retirement. There are two types of financial goals: short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals are goals that you want to achieve in the next few months or years, such as paying off a credit card or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals are goals that you want to achieve in the next 10 years or more, such as planning for retirement or buying a house. Section 2. Assessing your current financial situation. Next, let's discuss assessing your current financial situation. This is where you take a deep dive into your finances and understand your income, expenses, debts, assets, and liabilities. Once you have a clear understanding of your current financial situation, you can start creating a budget. Creating a budget is a great way to help you manage your money. To create a budget, you need to add up all of your monthly income and expenses. This will help you understand how much money you have left over each month, which will enable you to prioritize your financial goals. Section 3. Creating and executing a financial plan. Now that you have a clear understanding of your financial goals and your current financial situation, it is time to create and execute your financial plan. This is where you build a plan that will help you achieve your financial goals. The plan should be achievable, measurable, and realistic. The first step to creating your financial plan is to prioritize your goals. You need to figure out which goals are most important and which ones are least important. You should focus on the most important goals first. Once you have your goals prioritized, it is time to start creating a plan that will help you achieve those goals. This is where you need to be creative and think outside the box. There are many different ways to achieve your financial goals, and you need to find the ones that work best for you. Section 4. Monitoring and adjusting your plan. Finally, let's discuss monitoring and adjusting your plan. It is essential to monitor and adjust your plan regularly. This will ensure that you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. To monitor your plan, you should track your spending and income. This will help you understand where you are spending your money and where you need to cut back. If you find that you are overspending in one area, you can adjust your budget accordingly. You should also review your financial plan regularly and make adjustments as necessary. Life is full of unexpected events, so your plan needs to be flexible enough to adapt to changes in your life. Outro. And that's a wrap on the ultimate step-by-step guide to creating a financial plan. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, creating a financial plan is essential to achieving your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this video, you will be well on your way to creating a solid financial plan that works for you.